Yo, what's up? Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today is on Monday's upload, and it's a new series to this channel called Simple Recipes. Simple recipes are here for anyone in any country. It's to get us cooking, get us to save money, and you can find the ingredients that are local to your country, your province, your state, and let's start cooking around the world and unite as one. We love each other. God is great. And I'm going to start appearing more on the YouTube. I still have the studio. I haven't gone there yet. I'm not sure when I'm going to do it. I'm trying to still practice because I've been absent from YouTube for a year. But let's go to the simple recipe. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you. Peace. Dan Soy. Alright, so welcome to Monday's upload. A really quick and healthy breakfast taco, soft taco. And this is the first of the series in simple recipes. Simple recipes are recipes where you can cook in any country, at any time, at any place. With simple recipes, you don't have to look for specific ingredients. Find the ones that are local to your area, your town, your market. So for today, we're going to that those factory tortillas. If these are not in your country, find the ones that are in your area. So we got that soft taco. We got two scrambled eggs here, organic. We have vine ripe tomato, bacon, and we have some mushrooms. So the thing we're going to do is we're going to take the lid off that pan. And I already previously cooked the bacon and pizza actually in here. So the thing we're going to do is we're going to take this tortilla, put this on medium, and just spin that around, and then just flip it over and use the hands that God gave you. So this is a really quick recipe, like I said. That's why it's called Simple Recipes. And you could assemble this in minutes, and then you can enjoy eating this at home and save some money. Alright, so we're going to spin this some more, and we're going to flip this. It's almost done. With this taco, I really don't want it brown. I just want it warm. And then the thing we'll do is we'll throw all this in the pan, warm it up, and then we'll toss the egg in there and just put it on top of the taco. Alright, so we're done warming that taco. Now we're going to take that mushroom, bacon, and tomato, and we're going to throw that in our pan. You see that sizzle and hear it? So the thing you're going to want to do is just stir that about, and then when we get that to a certain temperature, we'll toss in the egg, and then we'll plate the taco, and we're done. Alright, so we have this on low. Just toss this about. This grease from the bacon will get into the mushrooms and tomato, and it'll make all the flavors blend together, and then pretty soon we'll toss that egg in there. Alright, YouTube, we're ready to put this egg in there. So there's that. The thing you could do is you could put that egg to the side and let it start forming, and then we'll mix it all together. So like I said, this is a simple recipe, and this could be made in any country. Alright, YouTube, you can see that egg started to set itself up. We got that continuing to cook. Now just fold this over and start scrambling everything together. And if this is too much for your taco, put it in a container and eat it later, or make something else with it. So the thing you're going to want to do is continue to turn this about, and then after that we just toss it on top of that taco, organic, and we're done. This is This shows you how you can make really good quality meals at home and save money. You can do this with your family and your kids. You should really smell this kitchen right now. The bacon and the mushroom and this egg. So I'll see you when we're done with this. Alright, YouTube, so you see that? The thing we're going to do now is take some black pepper, and we're going to just throw some in there, and that's basically it. Now we're just going to take this and put it on our taco. Alright, so we're just going to put this on our taco. If you want, you can add some more pepper. But look at the quality of that. It beats going to McDonald's or Burger King, and you can make your own high quality stuff at home. Alright, YouTube, so there you have it. Your healthy breakfast taco. Simple recipes. If you wanted to, you could take like block cheese and you know, grate that and throw it on top. But look at the quality of this. So you could just fold this up and just have your big taco. So welcome to Simple Recipes. I'm going to be adding a lot to this because I want people in other countries to be able to cook things. And the main goal of this channel is to enjoy food and get us all cooking in the kitchen and get us from to cook more and save more money. So this is Monday's upload. Wednesday we should have a tilapia taco on the same tortilla, and you enjoy. Yo, thanks for visiting my channel today and checking out Simple Recipes, the breakfast taco. Hopefully everything is going good. I'm going to try to bring you uploads on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Keep to that schedule. And then I'll throw in some bonus ones throughout the week. I'm going to start getting active with this channel. I love you, and like I said, I'm going to be on this channel for all the time if I can. And I'm going to try to create a new style. But thanks for looking at the breakfast taco. It only takes a couple minutes. Like I said, and we're going to see you Wednesday, most likely for a tilapia taco as well. If you don't like that kind of fish, you can substitute. So you be safe. God bless. Peace out. Dan Soy. Bye-bye. Love you.